Hello, second graders. Today we're going to be working on a word problem. With that word problem, we're going to show you two ways to do that word problem. That way, whatever works for you, best for you, is the method that we want you to use. We're not telling you use this method or use this method. We're telling you what works best for you that makes sense mathematically. That's what we want to do. We're introducing the hundreds. So in this word problem, it doesn't start out with in the hundreds, but we're going to get to the hundreds today. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at the word problem. Now the word problem says Amy has 75 stuffed animals, and I'm going to underline 75 stuffed animals. James has 35 stuffed animals. And what we're wanting you to do is to find out how many stuffed animals they have all together. So all together is what we're looking for. So we see 75 and we see 35, and we know that all together means to add. So before we go any further, let's go ahead and write the problem down. 75 plus 35. Sorry, this pen is acting a little bit crazy, but what we'll do is we will start on this number line, which goes from 0 to 110. On the blue marks, I've got them in fives, increments of 5. And on the black marks, I have 10. So I start at a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. And then here we go, 5. And then we've got the 10, so 15. We got the 20, so 25. 30, so 35. That's how this number line works. Now, we're going to take the first number, which is Amy's number, and it's 75. We're going to start at 75. We're going to add James's 35 stuffed animals. So here we go. We know that we have 10, 20, 35. So 10, 20, 35. Okay, and it looks like that. The actual answer is going to be 110. That's where we're at on our number line. Now, we've figured it out that way. We're going to figure it out now with our place value blocks. This is a 100 place value block. This is a 10, and this is a 1. It takes 10 ones to get 110, and it takes 10 tens to get 100. So just keep that in mind as we are working these problems, these word problems. Okay, so this first one says that Amy has 75 stuffed animals. So in the ones column, we have 5. So let's go ahead and put out our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ones. In the tens column, it says that we have 7. 7 tens is 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's move on to what James has. James has 35. So, we're going to go over here to James's, and we're going to put down we're going to put down 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to put down 3 tens because he has 30, 35. Okay, now when we add, we combine. So we're going to combine James's and Amy's, and we're going to get a total. I'm going to take these ones from Amy and add them over there. And I'm going to take these 10s from Amy and add them to James's. Let's see what we're working with here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. And remember a while ago I said that 10 ones equals 1 of our 10s. So I brought another 10, and let's see if that's the case. Let's put it together, and it does equal that. So we're going to get rid of this because we are borrowing, which means we're regrouping. There's one regrouping. Now, looks like we've got a lot of these 10s, and we said that it took 10 tens to equal 100. So let's see how many of them that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. More than 10. So let's take 10 of those, which is right there, and we're going to put this on top and see. It fits perfectly. So we need to get rid of these and replace them with this because we're regrouping. So that leaves us with 110. Let's see if that works out with our problem right here. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus we've got the 1 up here, which equals 11. And then we've got to bring the 1 down. So in both cases, there's our 110. There's our 110. The problem worked out, and then we went ahead and worked it out, and it's 110. So these are our two methods. This is a place value with the place value blocks, and this is number line. I hope this helped maybe clear up some issues, or maybe, you know, if you need another method, maybe this is another method for you. Thank you.